Welcome here, traders. Yesterday we did analyze some levels here. I will pick this OB within the OB to kind of, this happens to be an OB on 15 minutes, and here happens to be our OB on daily OB and 15 OB from within this level. We watch, if you watch yesterday's analysis, you will understand why we picked all these levels. But what did market do? Market give us another reaction, take through the OB, but we are still within this OB. But for the fact that we close below this low is an indication that market is not willing to do what to go up from that level. But there is something I really want to point out to us here. As you can see, we have a very nice setup from this level here. And this is reiterating the fact that market can do whatever it pleases. So we cannot control the market. We cannot even predict the market. That's the reason why proper risk management is very important when we are trading. Because how on earth are you going to say that okay, we market transcend below this low? And what we are even having now can still go back up and take out this level, and anything can happen. But under normal circumstances, we should have a reaction from here now. This OB should want to reclaim other block for us to do what? To go lower without much analysis, because this is an indication personally from this level with what market did from this level, break below this, give us this kind of reaction swing point here on daily, and we broke below this low. This particular low that we broke below here is an indication that for the fact that we are going lower, the price is going lower. Now, for us to now see a kind of reaction above this high, closed above this high, give us a very nice setup within this major order block, daily order block here, into the high with this type of very good and nice pattern, and still come down to go below, then it's just showing us its superiority, because anything can happen. And it's proven to us with the fact that anything can happen. That's the reason why no matter what, no matter, because yeah, I was so sure of this trade yesterday. Very sure. And it's a very good and nice setup for us. But what did it did not even weak below it. It's closed below it massively, in a very massive manner. And even if you check through daily, you will see a very nice reaction from this level here. And that's the reason why I don't like backtesting. Because backtesting will never show you all these things. You just see this candle. When you look at it, when you come down to, come to this level to backtest this level, you just see something like this. We don't know how it played out. And looking at it, there going to be any way that you're going to uh kind of backtest all this level? That's the reason why forward testing is always the best, and the best you can get into something, because it is through this level that you're going to know that okay, it is true for testing that you know, because this kind of reaction that we have here, it even take the liquidity below this low, give us a very nice reaction, and could have easily give us shift from this other block that we have here and move forward. But what do we see? Price start, it break through the something. So it is from within this level that we're just going to continue or something. For the fact that we are still within the other block and anything can still happen. But for what we are having on 4 hour, it is an indication that okay, price is willing to go lower. And our sell from this level is kind of winning. And if we check DSR, we know that okay, price is gaining, dollar is gaining some strength in the market. So for us to be having this level like this now, and my price is reacting from this level, if there is anything, if there is any trade, without even wasting time, we already know what to look forward to, because we know what we have done all this analysis yesterday, and this happens to be our range. And for the fact that we are closing in between this established range, our price has already shifted, take the switch to this particular level here. We will have a major flip from here because of the major tortoise that we have from this level. But here, for the liquidity above this I was taken, then it give us a shift to this level. We have a trend change, which is TC from within here, a major one for that matter, a major one. Then automatically we know that this particular level here is something that we can kind of like take something from. And from within this level, we enter another trade for the sell. And from there, we know that, okay, we are selling. And here happens to be our week low, which was broken below. And, trading from within this level, because we have a proper mitigation from all these levels here, is an indication that, okay, price might actually be coming down from within this particular leg. But little did I know that, okay, we can be reacting from within this I wasn't expecting price to come to as far as this level again. And it's using this whole range to do what? To send price lower. So let's assume we use this singular candle from within this level to place our trade. Uh, Even we've taken all this range here, if we are still within the something, but personally, I wasn't expecting any kind of reaction into that high like that. But from what we have today now, we have to still have it at the back of our mind. That this is a very nice setup, and this OB here is going to turn to our reclaimed order block. It's going to be reclaimed under normal circumstances. This OB should be reclaimed. But because we have one something here on the 15 minutes, if you look at this level, there is a level of imbalance here. I had another order here this yesterday. Immediately I spotted this level, this kind of reaction that we have in the market, we have this we have the liquidity above this high being taken. We have this level here not being tapped, okay, and it give us some kind of reaction into the eyes, then automatically we know that, okay, it was even immediately this level did not hold that I was expecting that, okay, we're going to have this level is going to be taken because that's its normal behavior. Now that we now have this level being taken, we know that, okay, this level can actually become our reclaim order block. So since we close below it so deep, and we have this level here. So, but there is level of imbalance that we have here, but on 4 hour, it happens to be a it happens to be an internal structure from within that level. But what we have here is this particular leg did not properly mitigate this internal structure that we have here. So we can have what is it called? We can have a reaction into this area and anything can happen. So if I'm going to be giving out any trade, I will suggest we just take it, even this internal structure here, to take this internal structure to the above of this internal structure, because this internal structure has probably mitigated this reclaim order block here. So if there is anything we'll be expecting from market, it could actually be from within this level here. So anything can happen, any reaction can happen from this internal structure here, because this happens to be a very valid level for us to sell from. And the high of this internal structure of 4 hour, if you check it properly, it covers all the imbalances. Price can react from this level here, reclaim other block, or can come to this high here for our buy to sell model to sell for. So whichever way for us to be on the something on the safer side, like I said, we're going to be taking much of our trade from higher time frame perspective, and that will give us 11398 in the market. So that should give us a proper 123 in the market, and we should be taking this low. And don't forget, we just tap this low into the high. So anything I have for so personally, we're going to be taking this trade to reclaim this particular level. If you check through weekly, like I said on weekly, you can see what price is doing on weekly something, and we have this level here that can be sending price down. And from what we have, what we are anticipating is either price closing above this high for it to indicate that we are buying, or it's close below this low, then automatically we know we are selling, and this low is going to be what is going to be at risk. Whatever make us to take this strong low on daily, then automatically we know that price is coming down. Then this level is at risk, and anything can happen from that level. And mind you, this rejection block, reclaim rejection block can be our what? Can be our selling points from daily. So if there is going to be anything, then it's going to be this particular trade here. So without wasting time, that will be the end of our discussion today, please always apply proper risk management. It is not a financial advice. It is just my own trade ideas and signal. I am just showing you the levels of probability in this something. So I'm not advising you to put money or put real money. Demo accounts. Always use demo account. Thank you very much. God bless us all. Have a lovely and a profitable day. Amen.